Hi, welcome back. This is CHADWM. I still need to do some stuff. I see some strange icons up there, but this is a DWM fork. Ctrl-T is what I need to remember. Super Enter is another one. Super T is another good one. Ctrl-Alt-Enter is another one, right? So all these key bindings, they work. Super Q quits. Super X is our ArchLinux logout. So if I go over here, so it depends which is blue, and do Super Q, and Super Q, and Super X. So all of these options are there for you. I can do a lock. Let's do a test, because it needs to do all kind of things, rendering all kind of things, rendering file wallpaper, and once that's done, next time around will be a lot faster. So password, oh, that was not my password. Okay, thanks. Up, we're in. Super X and then lock with a K, boom, right? Wallpaper is there for this particular resolution and it's okay. So those are key bindings that you know. Super D is an important one. That's Rofi kicking in with the wrong icons. And Super Shift D is another one, is D menu with, okay, voila, choices to install. On tiling window managers, often rely on Alex appearance, and you see it's not installed, Eric. So that's a good thing. I'll add it to the list of the ArchLinux tweak tool. Sudo pacman -s, and that's easier. Otherwise, people need to remember that to install it, and then, all right, Alex appearance. My choice is ArcDark, and the icon theme is ArcoLinux Candy Beauty. And the mouse cursor is set to Modern Ice. Those are my choices, right? You choose whatever you want. And that will be my look to work on. Smaller, bigger, whatever you want. You can scroll a little bit with your mouse until you say, that's it. Voila, end of the video. I've got myself a CHADWM on the dual screen. So I have 20 monitors. You hear me correctly. If I have a dual screen, I have 10 on the left and 10 on the right. I have 20 monitors. All right, cheers.